Make delicious Paneer Bhurji with just a scan in Wi-Fi-enabled LG Scan to cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select Paneer Bhurji from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. In a MWS bowl, add oil, onion and capsicum. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, mix well and add paneer, coriander leaves, coriander powder, jeera powder, red chilli powder and salt. Mix well again. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. Your delicious Paneer Bhurji made with LG Scan to cook charcoal microwave oven is ready. Serve it hot with roti or in a wrap and enjoy. Follow these simple steps to operate the LG Scan to cook microwave oven.